What's going on?
What's up? I'm trying to get my fucking biggie bag. He fucking tweaking. He's sucking dick. Now what about my fucking biggie bag? No, he doing that. He is doing that. Genuinely. Look. He's sucking. No, I don't give a fuck. So what are we doing? Like, hey, he said, what are we doing?
Fields.
He doesn't.
What starts as a chaotic fast food complaint is about to spiral into something way bigger. In this footage, officers respond to a scene involving Ashley, a Wendy's drive-thru, and a situation that goes from loud confusion to serious criminal exposure in just minutes. At first, it sounds like a dispute over missing food and a receipt, but listen closely, because the real issue isn't the order. It's the behavior, the contradictions, and the growing suspicion that she may have been driving under the influence the entire time. As the officers start asking simple questions, the story begins changing, the excuses start stacking up, and witnesses paint a very different picture of what happened in that parking lot. Then comes the refusal, the arrest, and a chain of decisions that makes this body cam footage impossible to look away from. The big question is, was this just a meltdown over a drive-thru order, or was this the moment everything finally caught up with her?
Hello?
Ashley, what's going on?
What's up? I'm trying to get my fucking biggie bag. He fucking tweaking. He's sucking dick. Now what about my fucking biggie bag? No, he doing that. He is doing that. Genuinely. Look. He's sucking the shit.
You're in here causing a scene.
Look. Okay, I'm causing. Bitch, he took my drink. I paid for that.
No, you didn't.
I have to go. What's up? Where's my bag I paid for? I paid for a nugget, a sandwich.
Did she pay for anything?
No. I did. No, bro, where's my shit? It's in that fucking car.
Okay, go get the receipt.
Okay, cool. Can I... Wait.
If she comes back with the receipt,
Can
I'll
I
give her
walk
whatever's on the receipt.
Can I walk her
Did you come to the drive-thru or what? Yeah.
No, I came to the drive-thru and I parked and I came inside. So can I get the receipt and can I get my food for my supposed to pay for it?
Let's go walk outside.
Okay, cool.
Let's walk outside.
Okay. I'm not doing too much. I'm not trying to do too much and trigger y'all. Like, let me know. The car's done.
Who's in the car with you?
Nobody.
What are we doing here?
Stop right here for you. That's what you said. That's what
Okay, but
we're
I'm
doing.
saying what?
Why are we stopping right here?
Did you go? You went through the drive-thru. You got a
You
receipt.
said stop right here.
I'm asking you a question.
That's why we're stopping right here.
Okay.
You said stop right here.
Whose call is this?
Whose car is this?
You already know.
Whose car is it? No, I'm not moving.
So
Whose car is it?
who else is in the car with you?
Nobody. Nobody's in a fucking car. Nobody's in a fucking car.
So you drove here to get Wendy's.
Nobody's driving through the drive-thru alone.
You drove through the drive-thru alone.
Nobody said that. Nobody fucking said that. The fucking Wendy's called the police on y'all. Wendy said this bitch is tweaking in the drive-thru, right? That's what they said, right? That's what they said.
Yeah, but how'd your car get? You drove here? Are you by
They're
yourself?
alone.
You're alone?
I didn't fucking move.
I'm saying, how'd you get over here? Is anybody else with you? You. How did you get to Wendy's?
No, I didn't get over here with nobody.
You came here yourself.
No. I didn't come
You don't
here.
just appear here, so...
Yeah, I just fucking appeared here.
Okay.
That's what happened, man. That's what they said. That's what happened.
Okay, well, you already stated to us that you went through the drive-thru, ordered food, and they didn't give it to you, and you had a receipt in your car for what you ordered when you went through the drive-thru.
Did they tweet?
Is that true? You ordered food through the drive-thru and they didn't give you your food?
Did they tweet? Did they not give my shit?
I'm asking you. I wasn't here.
Did they though?
I'm asking you.
I'm asking you though.
I wasn't here, ma'am.
I'm just saying they got my receipt. They back up in there because they didn't give me my shit.
You said you
right?
had your receipt.
I'm saying though they just grabbed the receipt, right? And they just went up in there, right?
No.
Right. They just grabbed my shit from my car, right?
Nobody was at your car.
No, nobody was on my car. Are you fucking retarded? 3 motherfuckers was just at my car. Are you dumb as fuck? Are you fucking retarded? 3 motherfuckers was just in my car. Are you slow?
3 Wendy's workers were at your car.
Do you not register what the fuck is going on?
No, I know what's going on.
3 motherfucking bitches was just at my car. Do you not get that? Like, did you not, like...
No, maybe I don't understand. So explain to me. Tell me from the start what happened.
At my car.
Okay, you're not going to sit here and yell at me.
You didn't.
You're not going to sit here and yell at me.
Okay, I'll sit. But bitch, what the fuck is you talking about?
Tell me what happened from the start.
On the ground.
You don't have to sit down. Just tell me.
I'm just asking. Like, you didn't see
I'm asking you.
is out my car?
No.
You did not see that.
I did not.
Oh, that just happened, though. So, like, what are you hired to do? Watch what the happened?
I didn't see 3 people at your car. No.
You didn't?
No.
No.
So explain to me from the beginning, before we got here.
No, before shit. Like, after you showed the fuck up, motherfucker, 3 motherfuckers went up to that car. You didn't peep that? You didn't see that? You're fucking slow. Like, that's just, like, that's really embarrassing. Like, genuinely. Like, because, like, I peeped that. Like, it's motherfuckers pushing through the drive-thru. Like, you didn't see 3 motherfuckers walk up to my car. That's literally embarrassing.
No, I've told you multiple times now I didn't see that.
It's super embarrassing. Like, you're not on P? You're not on P on the call you got called to? It's really embarrassing. Like,
so
you didn't
what
see
happened?
Who the came to that car?
No, I did not, and I'm done talking about that.
I mean, you
Tell
keep
me.
talking about it, bitch. I didn't drive that car. So I don't give a f-
Already
what
stated that you did.
No, I didn't.
You did though. You stated that you drove through the drive-thru and you didn't get the right
I
food.
don't have a fucking license. I haven't been driving for 2 weeks.
Well,
Yeah, bitch, you could keep laughing. Bitch, I don't give a f***. I don't know who's behind me. Some fucking goofy fat ass.
Good evening. How's it going, guys?
one of those nights, you know.
It's one of those nights. She drunk or high?
She drove to that parking lot. I thought she was going to take out our truck.
Really?
Yeah.
Where was she driving at?
Well, she was right here, and then she's going crazy, honking her horn crazy.
Laying on it.
Just laying on it, stop, then do it again, and then she's looking around, then did it again, and then took off, going around the parking lot, spun back around, came back up here.
You guys be willing to sign
Sure.
saying that you witnessed her driving?
Yeah, she was driving.
I was getting ready to call since she drove to the parking lot. She was going to hit somebody.
Yeah, I thought she was going to hit my truck.
I DUI'd her 2 months ago.
Did you? Yeah.
What did she do when she came through the drive-thru?
The first time she like we could tell she was drunk, but like honestly, it wasn't really my business to call her. So
Right.
we just took her order, and then she said she needed to find her money. So she took about 5 minutes to find her money. She couldn't find them.
Okay.
So I asked her to pull up here so we could take the rest of the cars behind her. I heard her just like blaring on the horn, so I figured she wanted me to come out here. So I came out here, and she just started screaming. I couldn't understand what she was saying because like her words was all slurred. So I just went back in the building. And then she came back around and she drove over the curb right there. And I saw her coming around.
Are these her marks right here? Or are these different?
Probably, yeah. Because one tire was on top of this curb and the other one was like off. That probably is her tire.
Okay.
I don't know. I don't give a fuck. So what are we doing? Like, hey, he said, what are we doing?
Fields?
He doesn't know. He do fields. You didn't pull me over. I'm not doing a field for you. I'm not doing a field for you.
So you're not going to comply with field sobriety test?
Yeah. No, take me to jail. I'm not conforming to anything you're talking about. Take me to fucking jail. Are you fucking retarded?
She's not doing fields.
Yeah.
You're not free to leave. You are detained right now.
I'm not.
You're under arrest for DUI.
Put your hands around your mouth. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. You gotta stop drinking, Ashley. You're an alcoholic.
No, you're gonna pick me up.
You're under arrest for aggravated DUI and resisting.
You're gonna pick me up.
We will. Now, listen to me. You're gonna stand up on your own. We're gonna help you. Do you understand?
Shut the f up.
Okay. Get up.
Oh, my glasses? Can you put my glasses on?
Let's go.
Put them on my face.
They're broke.
Okay, they're brown.
Let's go.
We can put them on your face. I better shut the f up.
Yeah, you should do that.
Fucking piece of shit. Fat bitch.
Grab my hand.
No.
Can you shut
I'll
the
talk
fuck
whenever
up,
I feel like
fat
it. How's that sound?
How about you shut the f up, fat ass, dumb ass?
You need to sit in jail for a while. You're a danger to the community. Stop moving around. Keep right there. Will you search the other side? In a minute.
Can you do that?
Relax.
Can you do that? I'm not fucking resisting, idiot.
You're backing up.
Can you fucking pick my glasses up?
We got your glasses. Are we issued on me and search?
You said I know.
Do we need to search the other side or no?
Yeah, can you do
Okay.
that? Yeah,
All right, let's
we
go.
don't need to switch the other side.
Walk.
Can you pick them?
Already got your glasses
Walk.
in my hand.
They're broke. Idiot bitch. Yeah, open the door. Can I have my glasses?
They're broken.
Oh, they're broken. Who broke them?
On your face in just a second.
Who broke them?
They got broken because you were resisting.
Oh, they broken by Officer f***ing Diaz. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you.
We're gonna step on out.
Step out this weekend. Can you put them on my face?
Well, Let me get the door closed.
Can you put them on? Thank you.
All right, let's walk this way.
Sweet.
What's up?
Did you guys come to when I was driving?
No, we did not.
So, what do you mean my charge is a DUI?
Exactly that, aggravated DUI.
How do I get a DUI when you guys did not pull me over when I was driving?
Because you were driving your vehicle under the influence.
In what context?
All right, subsequent to an arrest for driving while under the influence of alcohol, other drugs, or intoxicating compounds, or any combination thereof, DUI, or Section 11401, leaving the scene of a fatal or personal injury crash, you are hereby notified that, as provided in Section 11500 of the Illinois Vehicle Code, you are a first offender unless within the last 5 years of this arrest for DUI or leaving the scene you have had a previous conviction or court-assigned supervision for DUI or a similar provision of a local ordinance, or a conviction in any other state for DUI or a similar offense where the cause of action is the same or substantially similar to the Illinois Vehicle Code, for the presence of cannabis as listed in the Cannabis Control Act with a delta-9 tetrahydrocannabinol concentration of either 5 nanograms or more of whole blood or 10 nanograms or more of other bodily substance, or any amount of a drug, substance, or compound resulting from the unlawful use or consumption of controlled substance listed in the Illinois Controlled Substance Act. Or if you are not a first offender, your driving privileges will be suspended for a minimum of 3 years. Or if you were involved in a motor vehicle crash that caused personal injury or death to another, your driving privileges will be revoked for a minimum of 12 months. Personal injury means type A injury that requires immediate professional attention in a doctor's office or medical facility, including severely bleeding wounds, distorted extremities, and injuries that require the entire injured party to be carried from the scene.
I had like a 4-year suspension. Are you serious?
If you submit to a chemical test disclosing an alcohol concentration of 0.08 or more, a delta-9 tetrahydrocannabinol concentration of either 5 nanograms or more of blood or 10 nanograms or more of other bodily substance, any amount of controlled substance as listed in the Illinois Controlled Substance Act, an intoxicating compound as listed in the Use of Intoxicating Compounds Act, or methamphetamine as listed in the Methamphetamine Control and Community Protection Act. And if you are a first offender, your driving privileges will be suspended for a minimum of 6 months, or if you are not a first offender, your driving privileges will be suspended for a minimum of 1 year. You are further warned that if you are a commercial driver's license CDL holder, your CDL privileges will be disqualified for the following time period if you refuse to submit to or fail to complete all chemical tests requested, or submit to a chemical test disclosing an alcohol concentration of 0.08 or more, any amount of a drug, substance, or intoxicating compound resulting from the unlawful use or consumption of cannabis as listed in the Cannabis Control Act, a controlled substance as listed in the Illinois Controlled Substances Act, an intoxicating compound as listed in the Use of Intoxicating Compound Act, or methamphetamine as listed in the Methamphetamine Control and Community Protection Act. If you have not had a prior 12-month disqualification of your CDL privileges will be disqualified for 12 months. If you have had prior 12-month disqualification of your CDL privileges will be disqualified for life.
Suspend that shit. I don't give a shit, bitch. Yeah.
Are you going to provide breath sample?
No, I'm not. I'm not doing your fucking thing. Okay. Take me to fucking jail.
You got your warrant login?
Yeah, take me to fucking jail.
That's what I know of.
No, take me to fucking jail.
I've never done it.
Period. Skip every fucking thing
Not that I know of.
that you have on protocol.
You mean just
and take me to fucking jail. Period. It doesn't fucking
never
matter.
been shown any of that.
Skip all that. Skip everything that's fucking mandatory. And take me to fucking jail.
We have to get this process going first.
Damn, boy, he just walked away and told me I was in there on phone with my family. He did lie to me.
No, he just has to take care of something first, and then he'll come back.
Lying, bro. He just fucking lying.
It's not lying to you.
No, he's fucking
It's just not.
lying.
We just can't instantly give you access to the phone.
We not that fucking busy, bro. And I've been through this shit. You just tap in, you just dial the number. Nobody calling fucking Bradley Police Department. Nobody gives a fuck. Genuinely. Sir.
What's up?
You guys want to fucking play with my glasses? Stop want to play with nobody.
Nobody's playing with anything.
No, he is, because he got fucking play with, because I was brought into the room before. So why the
Who was playing with your glasses? They were on your face.
They were on my bitch. No, these were on my face. Right? Okay, cool. There's another set of glasses and evidence that there was steady toying with. Like, I'm gonna try to have a second set of glasses play with and fuck with. Like, the motherfuckers on the screen is getting fucked with.
Dispatch has
like,
been
what the f*** is you talking about? Nobody playing with them. They are playing with them. Like, what the fuck? You're lying.
I don't know what glasses you're talking about. The only glasses I know about are the ones on your face.
Okay, so there's a pair of glasses on the fucking screen, on the fucking floor right there, right? Do you not see the phone? No,
I see your phone.
If I'm retarded, am I hallucinating?
I see your phone.
Right.
I don't see any glasses.
Not actually fucking back up, not doing fucking too much, bro. I just want to fucking go. I just want to go to the jail.
We're going to
fucking pee.
How about this? How about we go to jail in like 1 minute? That cool with you? I'll talk
No,
to
we're
you.
not. It's not gonna take fucking 1 minute because he's filling out fucking paperwork.
I'll try to ask
Idiot,
how about that?
new bitch. He's not fucking taking 1 fucking minute. Idiot, new ass, goofy ass bitch. It's taking fucking 1 minute.
Right, see?
Are you gonna do it? Are you gonna fucking uncuff this?
Yeah, we're gonna go right now.
Okay, let's go. Let's go to fucking Joliet. Like wherever, bitch. I don't give a fuck, bitch. I'm not doing that shit. Talking about a fucking judge take the front of my fucking piss and urine, bitch. I'm not doing that. Bitch, take me to jail. Got a bell? Can you push my glasses up? Like, look at my face.
Get inside. Just get inside first. We're walking inside. You get it. Ashley, get inside. We're right here.
Whatever, bitch. It's right there.
Exactly. It's right here.
Right. Push on.
Have a seat right here.
Look at him. Okay, have a seat or walk up. Like, you don't even know what the fuck you're talking about. Can you push on? Stop! You just fucking yelling at me to come inside. They're gonna come inside and I'm gonna sit with them all fucking night. Bitch, and I'm confrontation Jackson, bitch.
The suspect was charged with DUI, obstructing justice, disorderly conduct, and driving with a suspended license. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and be sure to subscribe for more bodycam footage daily.
And this is exactly why cases like this grab so much attention, because underneath the yelling, the insults, and the chaos, the body cam is capturing something much more important: evidence building in real time. From the very beginning, this encounter stops being about food. The officers are trying to sort out a simple timeline: who drove, how she got there, whether she came through the drive-thru, and what witnesses saw. And the reason those questions matter is because in a DUI investigation, officers do not always need to personally watch someone driving down the road to make an arrest. If they have credible witness statements, physical indicators of impairment, admissions, and surrounding circumstances that support probable cause, that can be enough to move forward. That's the key legal takeaway here. What makes this footage especially damaging is the contradiction. On one hand, Ashley repeatedly pushes back, denies key points, and attacks the officers instead of helping herself. On the other hand, the statements captured on scene tell a different story. Employees describe her behavior in the drive-thru, report that she was honking, slurring, struggling, and driving erratically, and even point out tire marks near the curb. Then, when officers offer field sobriety testing, she flat out refuses and tells them to take her to jail. Legally, that refusal matters. A refusal is not the same thing as innocence. It can trigger license consequences and often becomes part of the broader DUI narrative because it suggests the person does not want to provide more evidence of impairment. There's also another layer here that makes the situation worse: the suspended license issue. If someone is allegedly operating a vehicle while impaired and also is not legally supposed to be driving in the first place, that compounds the seriousness of the stop dramatically. Add in the resisting behavior, the verbal aggression, and the disorderly conduct described at the end, and what could have been a bad night quickly becomes a stack of criminal charges with long-term consequences. And that's the bigger message in footage like this: the arrest is only the beginning. Court costs, attorney fees, license fallout, possible employment impact, and a permanent record can follow far beyond this one moment in the parking lot. Professionally speaking, the officers here appear focused on establishing probable cause, documenting witness accounts, offering compliance opportunities, and moving the investigation forward once she refuses to cooperate. And based on the transcript alone, what we have at the end is not a judge's ruling, but the listed outcome of the arrest: Dewey, obstructing justice, disorderly conduct, and driving with a suspended license. That distinction matters, because charging is not the same as conviction, but the body cam shows exactly how prosecutors could build the case from this interaction. Now the question goes to you. Once the witnesses spoke, the admissions stacked up, and the refusals started, do you think the officers had enough to make the Dewey arrest? Or do you think this situation escalated faster than it should have? If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom and body cam breakdowns.